hating on you with their friends, girl, you got it.
All right, guys, so we are at the gym today and we are working arms, well, really shoulders and delt. So instead of focusing on going up on weight, I really want to focus on form. Form has been a big issue for me, just ensuring that I'm getting and hitting the exercise like I'm supposed to do. So that's what we're gonna focus on today. So now we're gonna move into lateral raises, which this one is kind of easy to get wrong. Last week we were here and I noticed that I really felt it where I was supposed to last week. So I really want to focus on that this week, just feeling what I'm supposed to be working and just making sure that I'm feeling it in the right spot and not, using momentum and not having the weight too heavy because we don't want to get hurt. So yes, progressive overload is important, but what's most important is hitting your form right and also hitting the muscle that you're supposed to. So let's get into these lateral raises. So I want to ensure that I'm not like putting a lot of pressure here on my traps. So we're keeping this weight nice and low to ensure that I'm not doing that because I have a bad habit of pulling in the wrong areas. Hence the reason why the traps are like getting larger. So form is everything. So we're gonna do one more set of these lateral raises and then move on to the next exercise. Okay, so we're gonna move into the barbell upright rows. So these are kind of hard to mess up. So we're gonna go ahead and get those started. I'm gonna do drop sets from 12, 10, 8, and 6. Okay, so we made it through that exercise. So now we're going to do alternating dumbbell front raises. So in the workout it said to keep these really light, so we're going to keep them light and focus on feeling it where we're supposed to feel it, which is your shoulders. Done with our workout today, and now it's time to go and grab some food. That has been the biggest struggle, getting my macros and diet just down to where it's not like a question. Meal prepping does make things a lot better. Today, that's what we're going to do. We're gonna go and grab some chicken and then also get some sweet potato because currently I've gained 2 pounds of muscle, which is pretty good the last time I weighed in. But I also have noticed that my weight is kind of fluctuating. I did have my period last week, so that could have something to do with it, just coming off of that. But it's just frustrating. Oh my goodness. So frustrating because you think that you are making progress and then all of a sudden the weight starts to creep back up and it's like, okay, so what am I doing? What do I need to do? Should I be worried about this? Am I actually gaining muscle or is this gaining, weight again? So I just kind of want to get my stuff down. We have like 30 weeks before the show. So I feel like every week matters, even though it seems like a long time. Every week counts. So hitting my cardio, making sure that I'm, hitting my form in the gym, just like I want to use this time to just get all of that down. So let's go get some food. right, so got my sweet potato. Let's get out of here and go make some lunch.
Where do we go?
All right, guys. So picked up a couple things. We have some lettuce from Walmart. I got these for the kids. Some air fryer okra. I've never seen that before. Some Morning Star plant-based sausage. This actually has 9 grams of protein and is 90 calories per patty. So this will be good for breakfast. And I got Okio protein yogurt. We have 20 grams of protein per container. So that's a pretty good amount. So I got 2 of these just to try. And sweet potato. So we're gonna have to find an interesting way to cook these up. I'll probably just bake it or bake them. And what else could we get? Some milk for the kiddos. And some pineapple. I already got my chicken out defrosting here. So let's make up some lunch. Because I do have 2 breasts here, I'm gonna half them. I'm gonna save 1 for the kids and then cook 1 for myself for right now. Really, I only need 4 ounces of chicken. So we'll measure that out, split the servings up, and go ahead and get that cooked. One of these chicken breasts, let's just see how much it is. Okay, so 1 chicken breast is 11.5 ounces. So I'm definitely gonna half this. That is a lot of meat. That's actually enough chicken to last you throughout the day. And let's see what the other one is. I'll keep the smaller one for myself. 10.5 ounces. So the bigger one I'll prepare for the children, and then the smaller one I'll keep for myself. Let's season this up and get this stuff cooking. Now, as far as seasoning for my chicken, I'm going to use my special seasoning that I prepared that I absolutely am in love with. This is a ranch based, it's a ranch curry based spice. It has 0 calories and I love the taste of it. I've been in love with ranch throughout this process. Just because I can't have the ranch dressing, I still like the ranch flavor. So we are going to add a little bit of this. Delish. Spice and season is everything, especially when you're trying to make changes in your diet and you know, are limited in what things you can have. Things with lots of flavor really make me happy. So we're gonna follow that up with some pepper, some black pepper, and let's do some rosemary. All right, so this will go into the air fryer for about 20 minutes and then it should be done. Okay, so that's set. So I'm gonna prep the kids' stuff and yeah, wait on my potato. It's gonna go in with our baked potato and we're done. All right, so this is the final product. We have air fried chicken breast and a sweet potato with butter, y'all. I couldn't leave that off. So I'm going to log this in MyFitnessPal and I will let you know how many calories it is. We're not eating this whole chicken. We're gonna half it and I'll save the rest for later. I am starving. Got my half gallon of water. Gotta get it in. Sweet potato is good. But I am sore, y'all. So sore. Finally, time for some rest and relaxation and healing of these sore muscles. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. And don't forget to be your own beautiful. Bye.